Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. So in this video, we're going to talk about two different business grants that you can get for your business. So make sure that you watch this entire video so that you can get all the information as well as what you need to have in order to be approved. Also, if you want to enter in to win the Cash App giveaway, make sure that you comment down below your Cash App username. Make sure that you are subscribed and hit that bell icon to receive all notifications so that you know when I release new videos about business credit, business grants, business funding, personal credit. Make sure that you subscribe and hit that bell icon. Also, like this video if you find this video valuable. Really quickly, I have an announcement to make about our Business Finance Suite program. A lot of you have had questions about this particular program. If you don't already know, this particular program helps you get unlimited amount of business credit and business financing for your business. I also include tons of bonuses to help you with your personal credit as well. We teach you how to build business credit from scratch so that you are able to get approved for as much funding as possible. Contrary to what some people say on YouTube, you are able to get approved for MasterCards even without your personal credit. Now, we teach you in this Business Finance Suite how to actually get approved without using your personal credit. We also have all of the requirements to all the different banks and lenders so that you know exactly what you need to get approved for all of these different credit cards, store cards, and all that, so that you are saving a lot of time and headache trying to watch all these YouTube videos. We've already done it for you, and you could get started getting credit very quickly. So I am including 5 bonuses with this. We do have another package. I'm actually getting ready to add another bonus, which is going to be a list of over 100 grants on top of that. So you're going to have funding from business credit, business grants, and you're going to learn how to fix your personal credit. So we have a DIY version. This is the new version or the new option that we've added so that we can help people who cannot afford the other package. We also have added a financing program to actually help you pay for this. So if you want to do the higher package and you want to actually take out a payment plan or get a payment plan, we can help you do that. So there is a button below this package. Each package is going to have a button where you can actually book a call so that we can help you get a payment plan. Now, there are requirements to that, so make sure that you are actually willing and serious enough to go through with the payment plan. If not, don't even book the call, because we only work with serious business owners. So that's the update on the business credit and financing program. We do have a DIY version that will actually allow you to go through everything with the training and resources that we give you. You will have access to email support as well as a new Facebook group that we're creating. The other package comes with 12 months of consulting with the business advisory team. So that's the updates on that. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the first grant. So the first grant is the $50,000 grant. This is the Accelerate Her Fund, sponsored by Tiger Global Impact Ventures. So in order to be eligible for this particular grant, you will have to have a business that is majority women owned. So at least 51% women owned. And your business has to be a business that is tech enabled or a business that is building breakthrough technologies. Also, your business has to be a for-profit business. Also, you cannot have any previous funding from angel investors or venture investors. So the application timeline is from June 22nd. So at the time of recording this video today is June 22nd to August 5th, 2022 at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So applications will be reviewed by a committee in accordance with the review criteria outlined in the terms and conditions. So make sure that you read this here. They do have their general information as well as the eligibility and all of that, how to enter. So make sure that you read this so that you know exactly what you need to have in order to win this particular grant. The recipients will be emailed and notified in September. Okay, so the second grant program is the Antairs Reach Grant Program. I hope I said that right. This one is awarding $20 initially to eligible small businesses. Now, this one actually has a more broader eligibility. So the eligibility requirements for this one is that you have to be a for-profit business, majority owned by either a woman, person of color, military affiliated person, or person with a disability, or a member of the LGBTQ plus community. Also have less than $5 million in annual revenue, have demonstrated a need for support, have a strong plan for moving forward. So this one, you can be a startup. To apply for this one, you have to actually be able to show that you actually need the money. Let's go ahead and check out the terms of service because they don't have the deadline on this page. So on the terms of service, under the program period, it says that the deadline is actually July 15th, 2022 at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So you still have a lot of time to go ahead and apply for this particular grant if you are watching this in June when this video is released. They will be reviewing the applications between July 20th and September 30th, 2022. They will announce the recipients in October. So in order to be able to apply for both of these grants, you will need to have a Hello Alice account in order to apply. So it's very easy to sign up. All you have to do is go to helloalice.com, click here where it says get started, and you're going to fill out this information here, or you can actually select one of your Google accounts, Facebook, or your Apple account. So thank you for watching. Make sure that you subscribe. Make sure that you comment down below your Cash App username. Make sure that you like this video if you find this video valuable, and I'll see you in the next video.